Thank you.
Hey, boss up there. I don't know where he's going.
Thanks, John.
Hey, who's over there? I come through here.
Stop it.
I'll put mine aside. This one's going right there.
Huh?
This switch Brett, am I clear to go through?
Not yet. No, not yet. Because Don's bud line is right there too. I'm parking mine. I'm going fast as I can.
Don't hurry.
I'm holding up the operation.
Trains still know how to travel. You'd be surprised how many people in England say trains don't travel more than 10 or 15 miles an hour. Because they're used to looking at the B&M.
No. Guilford.
Oh, well, they'll still call it B&M. If you say Pan Am, you'll really confuse them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're cheating. You're taking movies. That's a nice one.
I guess Exeter is another one that was well attended yesterday.
That's what you went to, Exeter.
That's nice. That's a nice one. You go up to Meredith? I've never been up there. That's beautiful. Yeah. Oh, that's a very nice one. That is a...
Stephen King
So I built it for myself.
So the gang golf now?
Yeah, we were real narrow. No, not golf.